This winter, we accomplished a lot around here.
She grew a baby. I did the whole sympathy way thing. Made a couple late night chocolate runs.
But lots of projects.
Lots of projects. Too
Laundry
many
room,
projects.
office, and we got to start in the nursery. Take a look.
And there's a deadline.
The baby deadline. Look at the gorgeous tile we have for the laundry room. It's gonna go perfectly with our cabinets on this side of the room. Tiling is a messy job. It's an exciting day because the laundry room is officially done. We're starting the office built-ins tomorrow. The built-ins are gonna go here.
We just got to Palm Springs, heaven on earth, and we're celebrating our last moments as a quiet
Family of two.
family of two.
Baby Finn is in there. About 26 weeks. What?
Why is it so cold? I don't get it. California 2-0 versus me in preparedness.
Yeah, you got shorts on.
This is the Grand Canyon of Palm Springs, also known as Takashit's Canyon.
You are definitely not saying that correctly.
Takashit's?
I don't know.
Canyon.
So, baby girl could be here in less than 10 weeks. And her room is just full of crap. I'm in the office and we're working on the built-ins today. Here's where we're at. Built-ins are coming along. Now we are so ready for spring.
March is here, baby is here. Well,
Baby is not here yet.
feels like
Soon though,
it. Feels like
only a few weeks to go.